Hello friends, now I will show you a best technique which really work in this platform. So let's start. Friends, first of all, when you will see green candle, green candle, green candle, green candle, then pure red candle, no rejection, no upper rejection, no lower rejection, then confirmation candle, another red candle, it's a confirmation candle, then you will give put 98% trade you will win. As like reverse, red candle, red candle, red candle, red candle, then pure green candle, no rejection, no upper rejection, no lower rejection, then confirmation candle, then you will give call, 98% you will win. I don't tell you 100% because sometimes you will lose. Okay, I will show another one. Just wait, friend. When you will see green candle, green candle, green candle, sometimes you will see this candle, a strong green candle. Here is no rejection. That means trend will reverse few minutes. For few minutes, trend will reverse. It's a reversing sign. It's a reversing sign. Now you can trade here put. Sometimes you will lose. That time you can, sometimes you will lose. That means you will lose. Okay, now you can trade here, you can trade here double which amount you have lost, just you will give double here. Maximum time 99% you will win because this is the reversing sign. Trend must be down towards 2 minutes, approximately 2 minutes. Trend must be down, but one condition, green candle, green candle, green candle. Then when you will see this candle, then you can trade here. But when sometimes you will lose, that time you just give trade here, just double. That time maximum time you will win. But when you also lost this position, please, that time you should not trade anymore because that time you should understand this market is not good. That's why this strategy not work properly. Okay, friend. Same as reverse, red candle. Sorry. pure red candle. That means trend will reverse for few minutes. You can trade here. When you will lose, that time you will give just trade here. Which amount you have lost, just give it double. That's it. But friends, please be careful, because this market is really risky market, and when you feel market is good, that time I think you should apply this technique, because sometimes it will not work, because sometimes market is not good. Okay, and so I think we should go real trade. Okay, okay. First red candle, a trend start from this level, red candle, first trade loss. Wait, this is not, this is, look, red candle, pure red candle, first trade loss, second trade green candle, because candle must be reverse in this level. That's it. So I will see another trade if I get any opportunity, then I will set. Friends, see this pure green candle, no rejection, then put, no rejection. Okay, actually I really don't get any good position. Friends, just follow these rules, and also more practice, do more practice, and another this one, just do practice in your demo account, then then you will go your real account. So okay friend, have a good day.